Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the audio drivers on the Windows 11 if your audio is not working, if your Windows have no audio drivers, so that how you can update it. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on this PC here, and after that we have to click on this manage option here. As you can see, you will be able to see the manage option. So let's click on this manage option. And now we have to go to the device manager option. So let's click on this device manager option. And after clicking on that, as you can see, you will be able to see the sound, video and games control options, controllers. So we have to click on these options, and now you will be able to see the Realtek audio option here. So as you can see, we have to right click on this, and after right clicking on that, we have to click on the right click here, and now you will be able to see the update drivers option here. So we have to click on this update driver. As you can see, my audio is currently okay and my drivers are updated, but I'm going to tell you the steps that how you can do that. So you have to click on this browse computer drivers, and after that, as you can see, let me pick a list available drivers on my computer. So we have to click on this. As you can see, now you just have to choose it, like for example, these are the provided here, so you have to choose any of them. You have to choose the latest one, the first one, and after that you have to choose the latest one, the last one, this one here, and we have to click on the next. And after clicking on the next, the drivers will be automatically updated. So my drivers are already updated, so that's why I'm not doing it. So in this way you can update your drivers, and I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So thank you for the watching and see you in the next video.